close to 4 years without making any YouTube video. We are back. Hello there. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. My name is Dr. Roger Senyonjo, and you're welcome to my channel. This is like a first video, but it's not really the first video because this is not my first time here. I opened up this channel in 2021, and a few months after I started my channel, I actually decided to stop uploading any videos because of something that happened. In 2021, I think it was around June, when I was inspired by someone who was very dear to me, someone who was very close to me, to start making YouTube videos. And we actually started together. By then, I was a medical student. I was still at campus. And my videos were basically focusing on empowering students, motivating them, inspiring them to take up leadership, to do better, to be the better versions of themselves. However, the person who inspired me, who was also my classmate, unfortunately, she passed on a few months, I think like 3 months after we had started, and we started making these videos together. First, she was focusing on mental health, as I was looking at this other end of inspiring and motivating fellow students. It was too catastrophic that I was traumatized and decided to stop for now. However, I'm back. After a very long time of thinking, contemplating whether I should actually do this or not, I realized this is something I'm passionate about, and I shouldn't just let it die. I should come back. Maybe should also be happy helping people out there, inspiring them, and educating them here and there. So we have restructured, we have rebranded, we have repositioned our channel, and moving forward, this is the type of content that you'll be receiving on my channel. To start with, I'm no longer a medical student. I finished my medical school back then in 2021. Did my internship from Hoima Regional Hospital here in Uganda. That's the western part. And currently I'm employed working with an organization called Reproductive Health Uganda, which is basically an organization that is focusing on advancing, on enabling universal access to sexual reproductive health information, services, and rights. Moving forward, this is the type of content that you should expect on my channel. And like I've told you, we've made some changes. It's no longer about student life, but it is something that is comprehensive and is cutting across. To start with, my channel is going to be basically health focused. We shall be having topics and content that are supposed to promote your well-being, We shall be focusing on health-related content. This content will focus one on sexual and reproductive health. Remember, the organization that I'm working with, that's where our focus is, and I'll be providing you with this information that you need to know regarding your sexual and reproductive health. I know there's a lot of information on the internet that you can easily access, but we want you to have accurate information that has been filtered, and you get what is going to help you. A lot of people are being misinformed because of what is on the internet. Besides that, we shall also be looking at other health-related topics. We shall be looking at specific diseases. We shall be looking at content that is not really related to diseases, but it is health-related. Lifestyle. We shall be having content that is related to lifestyle, okay? And basically, we shall be looking at healthy living, How do you live a healthy lifestyle? This is very crucial when it comes to disease prevention, but in this topic or in this type of content, we shall not be focusing on individual diseases. We shall be looking at how we live our lives, generally, those things that doctors recommend when you visit them to hospitals. How do we actually practically put them to action, when we go back? And that's the kind of lifestyle content we shall be having. We shall be having content where we invite people to come and talk to us, We shall be having those focused interviews, depending on what will be the need at that moment. We shall be having different topics, or different speakers, different experts, specialists, doctors, people outside the medical field who have something to share that is healthy related. They will be invited, they will be coming, speak to us, so that at the end of the day, you pick something, one or two, from those guest speakers that we shall be having. don't be surprised if you find some videos that are in relation to my hobbies. Personally, I love traveling, music, I love movies, making new friends, a little bit of soccer. So don't be surprised if you come to this channel and you find a video when I'm making a review of the trip that I went out for. Leadership is in my blood, leadership is in my veins. So don't be surprised if you come to this channel and you find a video that is basically focused on leadership. However, I will also try to make sure that I twist this content, even if it's leadership, it's still something that should relate to your well-being. We are trying to restructure this channel to make sure that the content that you find is content that can be consumed by everyone. Those who are within the medical field, those who have never been to medical school, those who are not even in any field related to health, but can actually consume this information and is helpful to them. You should be expecting videos to be uploaded every week, twice every week, okay? So every Thursday I'll be uploading a video, and every Sunday. That's how serious this channel is going to be. And what you have to do at this moment is to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button so that you do not miss any of those videos that will be coming in. Like and share. My long-term goal is, from this channel we're going to build a community of people who are actually champions of good health, champions of well-being. More content will be coming through. This was just to give you a little bit of introduction on me being back, us being back. Thank you very much for watching this video up to end, and I wish you all the best. I sign out.